Maayong adlaw sa inyong tanan. Welcome sa Woman Up Bisaya version. Kauban ako karon ang atong famous jewelry designer na si Christine Bertuccio. Hello, Christine from Cebu.
Yes, all the way from Cebu. Hello sa tanan. Maayong hapon. Okay, it's 4 o'clock. Maayong hapon sa tanan from Cebu.
And from Leyte, ang former Miss Maasin and ang former beauty queen na si Miss Aina Loy.
Hi everyone, maayong hapon all the way from Leyte.
And also from Cebu, ang atong kinapusgan nga si DJ Jackie.
Hi, kapamilya! Pina-intro, mo radyo, no? Hello everybody! Daghang kayong salamat for having me and excited for this first ever pag-appeal na mo sa Woman Up.
Yes, and it's so fun kasi it's so nice to have you ladies because I've known you for so long.
Don't say how many years.
Yeah, secret na lang ko how many years kay secret ang age nato. So, ang atong topic today.
Wow. Di ba dapat age we have to keep on it na we are in our big 4.
Oy, 30s pa ko!
Basta na lang kapag ko, 40 na ka this year, so...
Lagi yun, it's such a struggle because sa tanang nahitabo karon na taog volcanic eruption, dayon napay pandemic karon, so it's like wow, pag makaabot yung kung 40, it's really going to be magpa-party jugo.
Crazy.
Kota na kaayo 2020, grabe.
Grabe, no? So good pa lang, no?
First quarter pa lang kota na.
Basing, maybe naman, maybe after naman this, like end of the year, maybe things will be different na pod.
Hopefully.
God willing. So let's just pray and, keep our fingers crossed to the rest of the year.
So, mga bayot, so may ninyo sa quarantine karon? I mean, syempre, dagan ato mga viewers, wives, and there are those who are having having a hard time coping with the quarantine. And then, Dr. Susie Rojas, she mentioned that one of the good, one thing of the things that you can do to cope with the quarantine is to take care of yourself. So, ako pangutana ninyo, how not to be losyang during quarantine? Ladies? Expert man jud mo, Ana.
So, I'll go first.
Okay.
Sige, una sige.
Well, it's true na I agree with Susie na taking care of yourself is really very important in this crisis. Because if you don't take care of yourself, how will you take care of your loved ones? Diba? So it's more important to have taking care of yourself that doesn't just mean like grooming or anything. It's like you have a positive outlook, you have a positive your focus is everything na it's part of self preparation, self-love, self-care, so it's not just like physically.
So you have to like sa inner nimo na dili ka I think that people fall into being losyang when they already give up on themselves.
Yes.
Kana. Ikaw, Miss Maasin.
Me kasi I always believe that self-care is also self-love. So karon manggod, I think it's also best if we turn our coronavirus self-quarantine into a self-care staycation because, di ba, before for the quarantine, we don't have time for ourselves because we're also busy with works, with other things to do. But now that we have like all the time in the world, I think it's now the time to take care of ourselves.
Agree. Kalimut ka. Thank you very much. And world peace.
World peace. How not to be losyang is taking when you say take care of yourself. Inner peace is important as well as your physical self-care. Like first of all, you take a bath in the morning. or every day, because it's also important to look good even if you're just at home, because when you look good you feel good, and it will change the outlook of your of your day to day, because on a quarantine is not easy for some people, but lucky for us it is a probinsya, where everything is peaceful and fresh compared to city. So I think it's now time to take care of your inner peace and also your physical self.
DJ Jackie.
Candidate number 3. Adiri ba to? Ano ba? Bitaw, it is really important not to be lotion during quarantine, because taking care of ourselves, dili man na for other people. It's not only when other people are around, it's mostly for ourselves. We do it for ourselves, we do it for our own sanity.
Yes.
It's really hard na when you're home and you think that no one can see me, so di na lang ko maligo, di na lang ko manutbrush. Ingon anak ba di na?
Ay, grabe, wala siya manutbrush.
O ganon. Kaya syempre, even if you're alone, it's your body, it's a temple of God.
Yes.
That's the honest truth. Diba? So you take care of it no matter where you are, no matter what you're doing, as long as you can, as much as you can, pwede gyud kaayo. Of course, it doesn't mean nga you go out in your sala nga naka-heels, nga naka-full makeup. It's just, pang bahay, nga presentable, di ba? Nga wala ka nagkagutay-gutay din ha.
Yeah.
Sabi nagnay mong bana, di ba? So, for yourself, for the people around you, for everyone's well-being, it's not just how you look, but it's also what you put inside your body.
Yeah.
So, for me, it's also, most importantly, what you eat. Diba? Kaya ang atong gikaon, that is actually what is making us ourselves, the food that we eat. So, cleansing, dili lang sa kanang cleansing sa naong or sa gawas, pero internally, cleansing ourselves internally with good food, detoxing, and kana nga mga terms, murag mahalon man gud paminawon, but it really isn't. Kay di ba, ang mga gulay, barato kayong mga alugbati, mga, unsa pa man diha, mga, kalimutan ko sa mga ngalan sa gulay. Help me out, girls.
Upo yun.
Kamunggay.
And talong! Don't forget talong!
Talong. Kana. Barato pa, di ba? Barato, healthy.
And kasama pa sa mga farmers nato.
Exactly.
Correct.
Backyard, di ba? Aina, you're also growing your veggies in your own backyard.
Yes, that's
wow.
Yes, di ba?
From farm to your
we
table.
eat our own harvest.
And that's kay bawog yung kagiun sa pagpadako sa imong mga plants, di ba? I mean, with no mga, chemicals.
They're all organic.
Si Christine, kay naaman siya i-share nato nga facial churba.
I like.
It's very funny kay it's been more than a month and I am quarantined here sa place sa ako ang cousin here in Cebu, and naa siya sa bukid. So na direct ang sunlight. So it's a change of from the city to the bukid. So mura ba og kanang the change of siguro, or I don't know nga murag nagkuan gid akong face ba, nag-break out siya. So this morning murag pila na ni ka days that it's been alarming kay it's itchy, it's nanin ko nga what I can't even go to the city to get what I need, mga beauty products or something and I don't low kuan man sad ko, I don't really use mga kuan nga beauty products. No, I stick to only just washing my face and all. But this one, lahi ra gid siya, nag-outbreak siya. So I was looking, nag-search ko this morning, what can I do? So it's like making your own mga DIY recipes for facial. One, I tried the usual na olive oil and sugar. So that's what I did. And across my research also, I came across rice water.
Okay.
Oh, so
What's
katong
rice water?
everywhere. Yes, naabi agit. And those nga na mga rasyon nga bugas. So you don't need to worry kay magamit ra gyud ko ninyo ang giko. All you need is just the water. So dili maput to waste ang katong the solid rice. So all you need is just the water. Instead of throwing them, nga di ba
Magkilis.
ka sa bugas. So siguro the first 2 or 3 washes just to remove the dirt and all. And then after the third wash, you could just put the rice and then add a cup of water or 2, depende kung kadagan sa imong rice. It's probably like siguro a cup of rice also. A cup of rice, and then 1 or 2 cups of water, and then let it sit for about an hour, and then mulubog bitaw na siya. Kabantay mo ana. Eventually it will be cloudy. So that water is what we're going to use. So that as sa akong research, it can be used as a toner. It can be used as a kanang bitang when you put it on your face after you take a bath, to kuan mura siya mo tighten sa imong pores, mo tighten sa imong kuan. My first day. So well, we'll see in the coming week kung kuan we religiously do
So, girl, basically you use it as a toner.
Yes.
Toner.
Or very good siya just to cleanse my face. Siguro it's also part of cleansing my face.
So, dun na sa water, inigbutang niyo sa rice, water, dili na siya i-wash.
You are going to rinse it after. Siguro mga 10, 15.
Di ba, almigason po tingali ka kung di ka mag-wash sa imong face pag
And yun siya, it was a nice feeling pagkahuman. Kay mura siya og ning good siya sa.
Oh.
And then that's also one of the things that we need in our like almost 40s and in our 40s. Na we are already more conscious about wrinkles popping here and there. So
True.
That's hindi makarelate.
Hello, naka-wrinkles.
I don't really actually can relate to it, but
Talaga, char. Wrinkles?
That's very nice, Christine, because the ingredients kay very barato ra gyud, di ba?
Yes.
Accessible, virtually free. Okay, it's the water from the rice.
Yeah.
Hindi siya mahal.
Garasyon man ta karon na 5 kilos ang gihatag. If ever lang you will be one of those nga nakatuan and then you don't want to waste your rice. Dili man siya maput to waste kay ang katong imong rice magamit ra man sa tiyan nimo. Pwede nimo ilugaw after the water. So that's the water.
Very good tip. I want to try that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and then
me too.
you can fresh water on every day. Yeah.
Oh.
And then, there's another thing also. There was one video that I viewed na he let it sit for 24 hours. So the next day, it medyo acidic ang iyahang smell. And she put it in a spray bottle and sprayed it on her hair.
So pwede put sa hair.
So I wanna try it tomorrow.
Parang try kang Odessa wind effect niya.
Diba? Because
maanin yung hair.
and it's more natural ingredients. Anything that you can see in your kitchen. You can also use lemon. You can use, any other pwede avocado, pwede
Yeah, I like avocado. The one na i-crush ni mong avocado and then you sa
Use
base
it fast ba?
Yeah, then tilap-tilapan na lang nimo para di sayang ba.
Pwede ra sad yun. And then put mura na kag-toast. But,
Then painit ka toast.
Na siya ginawag tipid-tipid din pag may time.
Oh, yun. Anyway, ladies, any more tips before we end our first session?
I just want to let the ladies know out there na it doesn't have to cost much to not be losyang. You don't have to put all the expensive creams, expensive shampoos.
Yes.
Just take a shower, brush your teeth, moisturize. Pwede ra jud kayong kuan kanang simple like what Christine shared with us ng mga ingredients. It's just knowing kung unsa atong pwedeng gamiton. The internet is there. We can do all our research. So just take it in stride, because the more stressed we look or the more losyang we look, it will reflect manggod, di ba? Ang aura nato ba lain kaayo, ingon ani na gani atong kahimtang bati pag atong aura. So maayo pag palami-lami na lang nato. Let's do this because this is one of the things that we can actually control, how we look. So ato na lang ning gift sa atong selves and to the people in the house who see us every day. Now hopefully they will smile when they see us smiling, when they see us fresh. Na hinaot matakdan sila sa atong aura po, di ba?
Yes.
Ano na lang.
Changing your look and your outlook will uplift your mood. So,
Exactly.
Yes.
naragyan na nimo. It's all how you think about yourself and what's happening around you. Diba? And our OOTDs na pangbalay, we can always level them up na just a little pop of color sa inyo ang mga dagway, and that's it.
Yeah, look at my bracelet. I want to share first, I just felt like wearing bracelet today. And this is made by Christine.
Yeah.
CBD. Yeah, because I also miss Bohol. So this is when I miss Bohol, I wear this.
Ikaw, Aina, what's your favorite animal? Kana lang sa yun ra pormahon.
Butterfly.
Oh, I have butterfly already, so sige. Butterfly and the duck and the dolphin. Oh, and I'll just have the flower.
Hala ako, di ko rin pangutanon.
The duck.
Duck lagi ko no kayo.
Oo, kadungog.
Yeah, it's my favorite.
Ikaw, Aina, last message before we say goodbye for today.
Okay. To everyone, even if we are just at home on a quarantine, I think it's also nice to make a schedule, a routine, para look forward every day.
Yes.
Yeah, nga look forward something nga imong buhat mo. So you have a reason to get up, take a bath, and beautify yourself. Because being on a quarantine is not just for cooking and cleaning the house.
Yes,
the usual routines. But we can also make additional routines, something that will excite us.
Yeah.
Yes.
So true.
Okay.
So let's all
thank
get
you.
out of the lockdown trap.
Yes, let's all get out of the losyang trap, because really, we don't need to feel depressed right now. I mean, to add to the feeling of sadness na we are undergoing because of the quarantine, And so ladies, remember na rule number 1, kaligo. The rule number 2, from the inside out, so eat healthy, like what Aina also what Rodessa said, eat healthy. What Aina said, from within, and then from Christine's tip naman, we can also use our household products as our beauty products. So ladies, see you again next episode nato sa Woman Up!
Woman up!
Woman up!
Thank you for watching.